In a flat closed shape of any kind, the area is the space inside of the lines. And if you got a rectangle or a square, there's a cool way to measure the area there. You take length times width, that's the key. Just measure a square and soon you'll see 3 units long times 3 units wide. That's 9 square units right there inside. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's measuring time! The area! If you want to know the area of your front door, a picture on the wall or a rug on the floor, with a little bit of math and some measuring skill, you can find the answer! You know the drill. Length times width when they're multiplied, you get the number of the square units inside. 5 times 3, that comes to 15. Just count the squares and you see what I mean. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's measuring time! The area! You take length times width, that'll prepare you to find a square or rectangle's area. And that's measuring time! The area, yeah!
When you ride on a train or you fly in a plane or you take a boat across the sea, you know it's always gonna take some time to get from point A to B. If you know the distance you will go and you know your speed, whether fast or slow, you can tell just how much time it'll take for you to complete any trip you make. Time, distance and speed, they're all connected, that's agreed. It's a cool thing to know, so let's proceed with time, distance and speed. If it takes 10 minutes to walk to the park at a speed that's easy and slow, it'll take less time if you ride your bike as fast as you can go. But even at the speed of a rocket ship, it would take more time to go to Mars on a trip than to drive 2 blocks, which is not so far, at a turtle speed in a clunky old car. Time, distance and speed, they all go together, that's guaranteed. A little bit of math is all you need to know your time, distance and speed.
When you got 1/2 of a cake or a chocolate shake, that's a fraction.
Fraction.
If you toss 2/3 of a bagel to the birds, that's a fraction.
Fraction.
1/6 of a pie, 3/4 of a fry, 2/5 of a cinnamon roll. It's a super cool fact, a fraction is a part of a whole.
Part of a whole.
The number on the bottom says how many equal parts there are.
The parts there
And the number that you're counting out of those goes on top of the bar.
On top of the bar.
If you take 1/4 of your blocks outside of the box, that's a fraction.
Fraction.
If you just want to play with 1/3 of your clay, that's a fraction.
Fraction.
1/2 of a chain, 3/5 of a train, 5/8 of the fishes in a bowl. It's the main attraction. A fraction is a part of a whole.
Part of a whole.
That's not an action. A fraction is a part of a whole.
A fraction is a part of a whole.
When you see 5 happy apes and each one has 4 yummy grapes, how can you tell how many grapes there are in all? You can add up 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 like so. The sum is 20 grapes, but there's another way to go. You can use multiplication, it's a different way to add. What a handy calculation, when you learn it you'll be glad. And so it's 5 times 4, you still get 20, my oh my. Instead of adding repeatedly, you multiply. There are 6 eggs in each carton, and suppose you're buying 3. Well, 3 times 6 is 18 eggs, just count them and you'll see. And 4 times 3 makes 12 big pigs inside a farmer's pen. You've got 5 fingers on each hand, and 2 times 5 makes 10. Yes, it's multiplication, that little x means times. 3 times 5 makes 15 ice cream cones or basketballs or limes. You could add up 5 plus 5 plus 5, but here's a thing to try. Instead of